Welcome to Diggin, SoCal.
Ahoy.
Hi.
It's chilly.
Let me join you for a minute. It's St. Patrick's Day.
It is.
I got my green on.
I got my green on too.
We're ready.
Yes, I'm not gonna get pinched. Or punched.
I might pinch you anyway.
Shush.
So we're gonna go work this park down. It's a real small park. Go ahead.
Yes. Teeny tiny.
Yeah.
For a teeny tiny.
Ooh, nice little area here. The star of the show.
Oh my gosh, come on now.
The Fintress.
You mean that? What?
Ooh, I'm telling.
Oh my
Man, you can tell we just had some major rain, so everything is really wet. Not really sure how we're gonna do.
And muddy.
Hello.
What? What's up? Yes.
I'm following you.
It's been raining a lot. But
Yes.
now there is no rain.
Talk about a soggy park.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll find some cool stuffs.
Hopefully.
Fortunately, I have my treasure sniffing dog.
Woof woof.
Maybe we'll find some cool stuff today. And if we don't,
You call me a dog?
There's always cupcakes. You just got that right now?
Now we'll bring you up on the first target.
Woo.
What number are you getting? You have to look at the number.
18.
All right, well.
19. Well, come on.
Where's
Do
your?
it.
You don't have your pinpointer?
Yeah, but you do it.
I'm the filming crew today. It's like a dolphin.
Uh-oh.
Is the thing on?
Oh.
I see shiny.
Ooh. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a Eskimo. No. It's a
Panda bear. That's what it looks
koala?
like. Koala bear. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, same thing.
How cute.
Let's see.
Casey the koala.
Aw.
That's adorable.
So he got stuff all over his face or what? Is that supposed to be like that?
I don't know. I think the pink is supposed to be there, but I don't know about the rest of the junk.
Wow, look at you raking in the
How
treasure.
cute. Actually, it used to be brown.
Oh, it's worn off, huh?
Yeah. Cool.
Here's
Put him in the pouch.
like a kangaroo.
Yeah. Nice.
All right.
Yes. We will find all the treasures. All of the precious.
That's a ring. The precious thing.
Is that a penny? 2021?
Yeah, it should be.
Should be.
You never know, but typically it's a penny.
Oh.
What do you have?
Ooh, a dime.
All right, what else you get there?
$1.
$100.
No, $1. $1.
I don't see a decimal point. Cash value, $100. Wash
Flip it over.
vacuum.
Ooh.
Spot-free car wash. Thank you. And garbage. I'll get that out of there.
Gross.
Look at you. Here's your cool find. Nice.
After the rain, I could really use a car wash.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I want to find a spa token.
They don't have those.
Why? It's a human car wash.
That's weird. No, it's not.
Kinda.
I'm not gonna put somebody through a machine. No.
What are you hitting there?
I don't know. 4.
Right.
See what it did there?
Yeah. Foil.
Ew.
Hey, gotta pick it up. I should be wearing gloves though.
Yeah, you should, you nasty.
What you got?
I don't know.
Number?
27?
Huh?
24? 27, 24?
Cool. It's right between a dime and a quarter, so.
Is it Dorter?
Stop. Whoa.
It's huge.
Dude.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. My allergies are going crazy.
Look at that.
There's a big old flower.
Too bad it wasn't a 4-leaf clover.
Oh, that's true. What
Dang.
is this? Like a hibiscus or something? Hold it.
And gravy.
Oh.
God, that thing's heavy too.
Oh, what's that? Somebody lost that. And what's even worse? Look. Look. They lost our corn.
I'm not picking that up. That's pretty.
It is.
But what is it?
It's a bracelet or something.
Wait, that thing's not even attached anymore, so let's not lose that. It came apart.
Huh.
Huh, definitely cool. That's an awesome find, Christine.
Thank you, Bill. Since we're identifying each other by our names.
I gotta go over here and look at this pile. Squirrels, chipmunks, or birds, or children?
That's a very good, I don't know, comment below on what you think or who you think did that.
Dude, that was a good find.
Thank you.
Too close to the pole, or?
I don't
Ooh. Push that one time. Okay, mine was just a pole. What do you have? Oh, and part of the toys. It looks like a screw or rivet or something. Huh.
Cool, look it.
Wow.
Good job, me. Look
Save
at you
it.
go. Good job. I'm doing good.
You actually are.
I know. That's why I said that.
Nice pinpointer here. What?
You better not get me dirty.
Oh no. I would never do that.
You've thrown worms at me and those little gross round white things. What are those things called?
Things?
What?
Grubs?
Yeah, those. That was so nasty.
Did I hit you?
You almost got it in my mouth that time.
That'd been funny.
That would not have been funny.
Swirl around the dirt we go. This is long hair. I hope you turn the pinpointer on.
It is on.
Huh. I don't know. The excitement's building.
Is it?
No.
Here, just cut to a commercial or something, because
Alright.
I'll come back to it.
She's getting closer to this trash.
Am I?
Probably bottoming out. Who knows?
Indubitably.
That's why I hate when I'm not wearing my little baggie with my...
It's good. It'll keep.
No! We see a shovel. I'm not giving up yet.
Well, I don't want to be on the receiving end of that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're down to the bottom. So it's probably lost treasure from some pirate ship. Even though the elevation's pretty high here.
Oh gosh. It's getting a little thick in here, guys.
Ooh.
What are you gonna do? Call the park police?
Yeah.
Paw Patrol? See, look at it. Like it never happened.
There you go.
31, 25.
Park number 2.
Ooh, it's a quarter. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
You're basically doing commentary.
You got a quarter.
Cool.
I hear Christina beeping over here. Beep, beep, beep.
I'm a beeper.
They're just backing up.
Wow. Hey now.
What's this?
Oh, it's called being lame.
Wow. Looks like copper. There you go.
Wow. Lame. I guess it's still a find is a find, right?
Yep.
Oh well. I'll count it.
Ooh, another one.
Come here.
What number?
Come here. 21.
Ooh.
Yes.
Penny, penny, penny.
Look at that.
Look at you getting rich.
Oh my gosh. I haven't had a cupcake in quite a while.
I guess I'm gonna have to make a trek somewhere.
Yes. I'm not complaining. I'm just stating an observation.
Really?
Yeah. Very important. It's kind of like in Elf, where they have the food groups: candy, candy canes, candy corns, and syrup.
Hmm. You're so funny. Christine tells me she has a jumpy target. It's probably just trash, and she's over here digging around with her pinpointer, and ooh, it's longer.
That's very pretty. Wow, with the safety pin.
Oh, I found a safety pin too.
Aw, this is Jay.
Let's see. Wow.
That's very interesting.
Double butterflies.
Wow, that's surprising.
You're getting some good finds today.
I'm kind of surprised. 21 again.
Blackjack.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look
Aww.
at the lizard up here.
Huh? Whoa, that's weird. I think he's cold.
Yeah, I think so.
Or someone's been beating him up. He's black and blue.
All right, keep finding them pennies.
Yeah, the jewelry too. That was pretty cool.
I know. I was getting a 14 here, and I almost missed it because of the color. I got a bee. I got a dead bee. Even the crows agree. Christine, I got a dead bee.
Why are you holding a dead bee?
Or is it a moth?
Oh my gosh, you're too much.
Look at it. It's cool.
Wow.
I got jewelry too.
You ever been bit by a dead bee?
Yeah. I got bit by a live bee. Remember that video?
Oh yeah, I do remember that. That was silly. I told you not to get close to those bees and you wouldn't listen
Dude,
to
I
me.
was like 10 feet back.
No.
Hold on.
Ew. I told you to stay away from them.
They got me anyway. Right? They stung me right in the face.
Yeah, that was pretty funny. Yeah, right between the eyes.
That was funny.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, appreciate that.
You know why it was funny? You didn't listen to me.
Getting this target here, the stones, the metal in the stones, probably. But I'm definitely getting something here. Now, ones have been foil all over the place, but it jumped into 8 a couple times, and Christine's over there digging something at the same time. So, oh. How funny.
Oh my gosh, how strange. Ooh.
Why don't they have legs?
Huh?
They don't have the side things.
Sometimes they're magnetic.
Oh,
And they just sit right on top of the frames. I don't know.
cool.
Maybe the arms broke off.
Maybe.
Or maybe the legs
Well,
broke off.
at least I'm finding stuff.
Pretty good. You're welcome. I taught you everything you know.
I know you did. Hey, you worked in my area? What number are you getting there? Oh, a 9? Nice piece of foil. Ooh.
Stop it. You know I don't like worms. Do not throw that at me. No. No. William. William. Don't.
Okay.
Calm down.
Foil. That foil might have been the worm's home.
Gross.
Christine's on a 30-31.
Look at how gross this looks.
Oh, you were digging, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that quarter. What are you doing? Is there more there? Ooh.
It's a double. It's a double.
Nice, 50 cents. Stand up.
It's a coin spill.
Hold on, got kids in the background.
It's a coin spill. It's a coin spill.
No, it's not.
Well, anything more than 3. 3 or more.
4 bits.
Shaving a haircut, 2 bits.
Nice.
I'm rich.
Like your bell bottoms, by the way.
Thank you.
Christine just uncovered a 14.
What is it?
Little spike.
Oh, cool. Talk about making a point.
Yeah, keep hunting. Don't quit your day job.
I don't have a day job.
Whatever, you know what I mean.
Night job.
1920 here. Uh-oh. Don't come over here.
The toy, isn't it? Oh, yes.
Exciting.
Oh, that's so pretty.
I got a car. Whoa.
What kind is it? It doesn't even say. Wow.
Dude, that looks like, I thought it was a DeLorean at first, but then it started looking more like a Pinto. Not really sure.
What?
It's a car.
It is.
Christine,
Yeah.
it's a car.
Yeah, and?
Give it to me. You're done.
You gonna make the noise?
No,
Why
I'm gonna
not?
put it away. All right, thank you. And I'm Grabsy, made in China.
Wow,
I'm trying to see if I can see what it...
look, I found a detector. It's mine.
Hey now.
It's made in China. That's what it says.
I know. I didn't bother putting the type of car. All right, so what type of car is that?
I'm not sure.
I'm not asking you. Somebody will know. Pretty sound.
What was the number?
26. Not very deep either, so let me look around a little bit before I start digging a big old hole. I don't think I have to go very deep.
Yeah, before I have to call the city on you.
Yeah, you're such a snitch.
Complain. You know what snitches get, right?
Cupcakes?
New britches. That was a joke.
Oh. I don't know where it's at. Ah.
You had one job.
It seemed like a really easy. The grass is really tough right here.
Seemed like it.
Should be right in there. Why? You're not helping any.
I don't know how to help you.
That noise.
It's being very elusive.
I know. There it is. Golly.
Where is it?
A lousy penny.
Good job. Hey, it's an older one. Don't talk about him like that.
It's a 1752.
Okay, I don't have to touch it. You want me to check the date on it?
Yeah, I was kidding. There's no 1752.
I know that. 1981. Here you go.
Hold on.
Here you go. Ooh. I'm
Don't
telling.
be snitching, man.
I'm telling. It's oh. And then you spank the ground like that? That's mean.
Snitches get dirty grabs.
Boop, boop.
Oh, you feel me? Sorry.
Weird
sounding.
This is called
30s, 12, all kinds of stuff. So let's see what we got here. I'm going to do a better plug this time. Oh, is that junk? No. Oh, it's in the plug. What is that? Oh, you rat. A folded bottle cap. Just what I always wanted.
You're so lucky.
Oh, is it Coca-Cola too?
Aww.
Coke and a smile.
How cute.
Yeah.
I wish I could teach the world to sing. I don't remember the rest of it.
We did this before. Something
Yeah,
about perfect harmony. And let's go. I'm done. You have to go to work. Or go to sleep.
I don't.
You have to go to sleep to go to work. You got a 16-hour Ew.
Ew, why would you remind me of that? What, you're making it worse. Ew, just leave your gloves. Oh,
All right.
well.
Keep going. Get your detector. Please.
He says we're leaving, and then we don't. He says we're leaving, and then we don't. He says we're leaving, and then we don't. And then he throws his detector on the ground. He's getting mud all over his shirt.
I'm trying to get the gloves
Oh
on.
my gosh, you are a mess.
I'm a hot mess. They're dancing over there. I want to go join them.
All right, you know what I'll do is I'll drop you off and I'll pick you up later.
Okay. Look at this. All right, let's get to the wrap
You're
up.
so mean to me.
Let's get out of here.
It's not my fault this is bedtime.
We hit a few parks.
You got mud on you.
Okay.
And your pinpointer is filthy.
You're on.
Am I? Am I live at 5?
On no sleep.
It's not that bad. Anyways, can we just make a note that I found more change than you?
I also didn't detect the whole time.
Doesn't matter.
But yes, you did find more.
Even when you're not detecting, you still find like a million things.
Okay. So you did here.
I don't know what this is. Definitely a metal.
Piece of brass. Almost looks like off an instrument or off a...
Metal turd.
I don't know.
Looks like a pair of legs.
Kind of does.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
Change.
I found a car wash token.
Nice.
I like that the car looks so cool.
It kind of looks like this.
It kind of does look like that. A pull tab. And then I found, I don't know, 75, 85, 95. Oh my gosh, did I find $1? $1.01. No, wait, I can't.
$1.10.
Yeah, there you go. All right. Then I found a piece of jewelry. It's like a brooch or something.
It's pretty.
And then the little koala, we cleaned him up. Look at how cute he is. Look,
Aww.
do you see that? Now he's dancing.
Ah. He needs a pole. Tree, I mean. What else did you find?
I found an earring.
With a pair of butterflies, so you were correct.
Yes. A nub, pointy nub, and a screw.
Might be for cleats or something. Oh.
I don't know. It looks like something for like a belt.
Cool. I found a car.
I know.
Probably not one of my favorite or best cars, but it's still a car.
Well, if you don't want it, I'll take it.
Spectacles.
And unexpected.
Yes, and this is really cool. I don't know if it's a bee or not, though. I'm not convinced.
I don't think it's a bee. It's not pointy. Its
It's
little booty isn't
it's
pointy.
a moth.
Yeah, I agree.
And then I found 3 pennies and some other stuffs. And then this was just laying in the...
This is what Buddy looks like when you step away. He starts falling apart. And I'm like, bro, he's coming back.
Wow.
He starts losing his mind.
Well, I have to say, Christine worked all night. Good enough partner to go out with me for a little while today. Hit a few parks.
Look at.
I know. Now you have to... That's pretty.
I know. Thank you.
Now you have to rest. I may go out and do some grass work a little later.
How dare you?
So if I
Don't come back unless you have a cupcake.
Okay. That's a long drive for a cupcake.
No, it's not.
But it's worth it for
It's
you.
not that far.
Only 3 hours each way.
Oh my gosh, drama.
Uphill in the rain
Drama.
and snow.
Oh my
Anyway, yeah, no problem. So I may have a little grass hunt edition to add to the end of this video.
Just know when you step outside, this is what Buddy is going to be doing. Ah!
I know. He knows. The cat knows.
The cat knows what? The nose knows?
The nose knows. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
Indubitably.
We're both a little spent.
Are we?
You didn't sleep all night? And
You got to sleep?
yeah, 3 or 4 hours.
Whose fault is that?
My own. I got into some TV show.
See? I don't feel bad. You're staying up late watching television.
The retired life.
I'm staying up late working.
All right.
I got a double today.
Yeah, you're doing 16 hours.
Dang, that's almost
I think
like
you need that sugar.
it's like it's 2/3 of the day or something.
Cupcake.
It is 2/3. Get that? 16:24.
Yeah, I can do my math.
Can you?
Yeah.
You didn't have to take off your shoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.
I'm getting a 23 right here. Poor Christine was exhausted, so I had to take her back and let her rest because she's working 16 hours tonight. Right there's my 23. Didn't show very deep, so I'm just going to turn this over a little bit. Of course, every time I do that, then it turns out to be deeper. There it is, it just fell out. Whoa, look at that. 2 pennies. And there's more. All right, let's set those down for a second. There's another one. Should have been a bigger hole, actually. I have it in. There it is. Another one. Wait, that's a dime. Okay, I think I got it. So, not bad. Pretty cool. 13 cents. Luck of the Irish going on here with all these clovers. I already had a little bit of a jumpy signal here, and look how deep this battery is. Looks like it's about 4 inches down. Crazy. Not what I want to find, but I'll get it out of the ground. So I just had a 16-17 and I was hoping to pull up a ring, but I didn't. I got a coin, and I thought it was a penny at first, but it's been damaged, looks like by a lawnmower. There's a eagle on the back, so it looks Mexican type eagle with a snake, it looks like. Wow, that's thick. Almost feel like there's two. I can't quite make that out. Interesting, it's got little boxes all the way around it. I'm not really sure. That's a cool find though. I will have to clean that up and take a look at it. I swear it looks like there's two, but they would have come apart with that hit, you would think. It's got a groove down the middle of the coin. Wow. I have no idea. All right, I was getting a nice 30 right here. Where was it? Okay. Should be a quarter, I would guess. Right here, and it is, oh, what is that? Oh, oh, look at this. I got a ring. Dang, honker too. Dang. Oh, wow. Yeah. Hold on a second here. That was a high tone too. Look at this. Had a bunch of diamonds, a bunch of them are missing. They're just blingers, I'm sure. But cool. Nice. Wow. I'm gonna put in that finger. Look at that thing. Dang. But I got a ring. That's exciting. Luck is with me on this St. Patty Day. Alright, so I went back out for about 90 minutes and had a pretty good hunt. Bottle caps and batteries. This big old hunker here. Looks like it might be some type of saw blade or something. I got the end of a hose. Pretty good sized nail. A little bit of can slaw on the top. Park's pretty clean actually. Earpiece. A few pull tabs and some miscellaneous oddities. Little clip, a screw, lighter top. It's probably off of jeans or something. Snap or jacket or whatever. What else? A little bit of change, not tons. I got 2 dimes and a nickel and a bunch of pennies. And then I did my 2 best finds in this hunt were this ring here. It's actually marked 10 on one side, and then I think it was NR or something like that on the other. Oops. So, not really sure if that's probably just a maker's mark, but you can tell by the coloring that it's not precious metal. But I did straighten it out a little bit. It was kind of bent. And then this has me a little stumped because when I searched this side, it says it's Aztec. I think it was like Aztec sundial or something like that. And then this side, when I searched it, it comes back as a the Mexican coin symbol. So, and that is a groove down the inside of the side of this coin. So it's a pretty cool coin. Too bad it's damaged. There is no words on it that I can make out, no dates, nothing like that. So I don't know how old it is, but that's probably my coolest find. Anyways, nice combo hunt. Got out with Christine and I got out a little bit by myself. Just one park only for me, just hit the grass for a little while. Not too shabby. Anyway, thanks for watching. We will catch you on the next hunt.